Hello! I want to show you the best thing in the world. It's my new mouse. R.A.T M.M.O gaming mouse. Best thing ever, oh yeah. Let's see what's inside. Ooh. Let's open it. Dun, 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 dun. Ah! Just look at it. It's beautiful. Remove before use. It's so awesome. Wait a moment. This seems strange. There's more room outside than there's inside. There must be a secret locker inside. Ooh. Oh my, there is one. So many free stuff. Oh my god. Oh, what's this? There's a package for me. A black box. Let's see what's inside. Ooh. Oh wow. These things must be for making your rat more interesting. $64,000 DPI, 78 programmable commands. Best thing in the world. Oh, let's put it in. So, let's see. I would like to add this for my mouse. It's a bigger hand holder, palm rest, then a pinky rest. So you'll hold your pinky on it, and let's see. For putting in your extra weights, and well, can be a bit heavy for you, so you can take some of them away. So let's see. There's a little, I don't know, adjuster or screwdriver. So yeah, you can use it to take your rat apart, remove pieces, so you don't have to have and you can carry it on your mouse, so it's pretty good. So then you adjust it everywhere. So yeah, let's take this away. And let's add a pinky rest. Oh yeah. Because it's awesome. Oh yeah. So let's see more. Okay, this thing here, you can, if you screw this, then this part where the buttons are, you can move it forward, back. I also think you can move it right or left. So yeah, you can adjust it just for your hand. You just have thought about everything. Also a lot of buttons here. This one you can move it up, down, left and right. Also here, here. I think this one also. Yeah, this one. Here's a mode button. These are locks. The center one should be DPI, changing it. and the locks are for holding down keys. There also will be extra lights, I might share. And here are the extra weights, so you can, yeah, I'll open it so you get this part. Oh. Silver coins. So yeah, you can add them inside here. I have no idea how. That? Oh. That can't be right. Oh no! Ah! Oh! Anyways. Oh. So yeah, let's add some of them inside. I think I will use 3 of them. Maybe 2. So yeah, let's add 2 inside. You can close it. And hold it just inside here in your special black box. So yeah, then you can close it. Ta-da! So, next part. This here, you can change it with the one with the grip or a bigger one. And that's actually quite easy. There's a lock here, so you can press this down and pull it out. There's also one here. You just press the lock, put it here, and just adjust it for your hand. So if you have a small hand or a big one, this seems a bit too big. So just press the lock. Did I put the pinky rest in wrongly? How did that happen? No, it can't be. Oh yeah, I think I screwed it in. Oh no, where are you going? A bit weirdly. Weirdly. Oh. Okay. Push this down. Let's see. Ta-da! Perfect for your hand. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's about it. You can put this back in. Oh, I forgot to put the weights in. Oh no. What have I done? Oh no. Ooh. Oh, cool. Almost. Almost. Yes. Success. 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 Oh. Oh my. Ooh. Oh, let's put this back in. And we have a best mouse in the world. Actually, I think it is the best mouse in the world. Thanks for watching. Bye.